So you got the 143 Vinyl Summer Craft Pack 2024 and you're ready to start crafting. So let me show you all the goodies that are inside. So this craft pack came with 3 UV DTF decal projects and 3 DTF transfer projects. I'm going to show you the UV DTF decal projects first. So this is everything that we have for you guys. We have a slate, and it is going to have this really cute and adorable Seize the Day design. There is also an acrylic bookmark that has this fun little tortoise. It says sun, sand, and a book in my hand, ready for reading on the beach. And we also have an LED bag with this really fun Salt Life fish design that is going to be perfect to help carry goodies to the beach or the lake this summer. So let's start out doing the slate. So this comes in its own protective box. Now, you want to save this for later because I have a trick to show you with the LED bag. Your slate will come with 2 little feet to stand it on, and then we have the slate itself. Okay, so I am going to take about 1 inch of this backing off with some scissors, and then we are going to place it on the slate. Lift the design up, and you will see where the backing starts to pull away, and then we want to take our squeegee, and we are going to gently push, just going back and forth. Now that we have our design all the way on there, we're going to burnish it really, really well with a squeegee. Okay, and now all you do is you just carefully remove this transfer. And there we go. We have our slate, and then it comes with the little feet where you can set it right in and you can use it to decorate your home in any way that you want. So our next project is going to be the acrylic bookmark with our cute little tortoise. So whenever you get your acrylic bookmark, it is going to have the protective covering on there. So we just need to remove that. And there we go. So you'll see the clear on the other side, but I am going to keep one side of that paper on just so that way it is going to help me see exactly where the bookmark is for placement. And we're going to do that hinge method again, and it should fit right on there perfectly. And we're gonna flip it over, and that backing is just going to start to roll off. Give it a really good burnish. And just start pulling that away. And there we go. So we are now good to go ahead and remove the other side of that protective coating. And there we go. So we are ready to go reading at the beach. Okay, our last project is the LED bag. So these do come with a little battery pack because they have really cool LED lights around them and they have different settings. So it's really, really fun to take some snacks or any other kind of goodies that you need to the beach. And remember I said keep this box because I'm going to show you a trick on how to help apply the transfer to these LED bags. So I'm just going to pop open this other side and it's going to kind of flatten out. And then we are going to place this right inside. So since the LED bag is very pliable and very movable, it is going to need a little bit of help, but we are going to make it work with this cardboard. It really helps to kind of smooth everything out so that way you get an easier transfer. Okay. And we're just going to use our squeegee again and burnish really, really well. Okay, now that we have the decal on, we can go ahead and start removing it, but be careful, just go very slow. This one might take a little bit more patience because the most ideal surface for any adhesive product, whether it be adhesive vinyl or UV DTF decals, is solid, shiny, smooth. We have 2 of the 3 ingredients. This is shiny, this is smooth, but it is not 100% solid because of that pliability. So you just want to be careful when applying. It will absolutely work. You just have to be careful with it. And I'm actually going to cut off a little bit of this that we have already removed. It's just going to help that as I have to go back over it a little bit, that it's not going to re-stick on there. Alrighty, and there we go. You have your LED bag ready to go to the beach. So you can just throw in some batteries. It will start blinking away. It'll be really, really handy, especially if you go to the beach in the evening. It'll be really easy to see your bag. Okay guys, I hope that this has helped you guys make some amazing projects. I hope you loved each and every one of them. And if you have any questions or concerns, don't ever hesitate to reach out to our amazing customer service team. Thank you for grabbing that 143 Vinyl Summer Craft Pack 2024, and we will see you guys later.